Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is sketchy florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. We're going to be planning for the week of April 14th through the 20th. As you can see, I have already pre-planned the previous week quite a bit, so bear with me as we do this one. I wanted to use this book that is called Floral Elegant Stickers. They're journaling stickers from Easter Case. I picked this purple book. I have quite a few of them in different colors, but they're beautiful and vibrant. And I just thought it's perfect for um, spring. And of course, I'm going to be using boxes from Mojo Jojo, so bear with me as I find that too. And if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you found me, and I'm happy you're here. And if you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I'm so glad you're here. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start putting boxes down where I need to put them, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, these stickers are stunning, and if you guys want to purchase them from Easter Case, you can use my code KASIA, KASIA, for 12% off. So yeah, this is, like I said, absolutely stunning. I love their stickers, and I think they're so much fun to create with. So here we go. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of purple. Um, I don't know what I'm going to do just yet because there's so many stunning stickers in here. But I for sure want to do the lavender field. In this book, I also have lots of pink, but I think I'm going to stick to the purple this time, and then we can do pink next time when I use this book, or we'll see. Like I said, I do have the whole set of them, which is, let's see, six, five? It's six. So there's purple, yellow, green, orange, and blue, and each one has a different theme. So, yeah. So I need a box for every single day. I track my main events or stuff that I need to kind of do that day for sure in those boxes. So whether I have an appointment or my dog has something, those are the days where we mark all of those things. So that's how it goes. And those little guys are for my work schedule. I do keep track of my own hours since I'm salaried, and you guys know how that goes. Um, you can work to no end and it's never enough. So I'm just adding those to keep track of my life, work-life balance, right? So here we go. Oh my goodness, that's so crooked. Let's fix that. And I know this is the Easter week, but I didn't want to um, decorate for Easter. I don't know why. I felt that way. I just did. So I went with my feeling and did something else. You guys will have plenty of other creators doing Easter stuff if that's what you're looking for. But yeah, I wanted something slightly different, and lots of purple, lots of bright green. My spread last year was filled with florals with yellows and purples, and that was just so stunning. So I wanted to like replicate this in a darker, more saturated way. Like I said, I loved writing in last week. It kept me motivated. I did quite a bit of things, so I just wanted to make sure that this week feels the same to me. So yeah, look at the detail and the hue on these stickers. They're so bright and beautiful and fun, and I can't get enough of them. And they are like so saturated that when you put them over lines, the lines are not showing through. So that is a pretty good um, density of the sticker, I guess I wanted to say. Look at this girl. She's stunning. She really is. So we're gonna put her right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my checklist. I'm gonna keep the checklist on the top, the box is kind of in the middle, and the bulk of the decoration on the bottom. So that's how this week is going to kind of play out. I did think about using bullet points, but decided against it. So here we go. And again, this is gorgeous and graceful, and I can't say enough about how stunning these stickers are. Um, Basically, what you see is what you get. But yeah, I'm enjoying myself immensely creating with these. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I should be done with the checklist and the boxes are done. So then we can just focus on decorating. For the most part, this will be a very quick plan with me since I'm just using one book and creating with it. Um, I know that there's a lot of creators out there that use like multiple books and stuff like that. Sometimes I do, but a lot of times I don't. A lot of times I'll stick to like one or two books and create what I need to create. But look how pretty this is. Okay. And then I want another element in here. Yeah, look at these images. Aren't they stunning? Yeah, I'm a little obsessed with this book, you guys. Okay. Uh, First off, let's add some quotes. How about that? The flower blooms with beauty. I'm gonna add more elements. Flowers are nature's jeweler. I'm gonna add this really beautiful lavender right here. As you guys probably know me, you already know that I really enjoy full spreads, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm kind of filling in the gaps with stickers so then it looks the way I want it to look. Um, Sometimes I will write extra stuff here and there, but a lot of times I'm filling it with stickers and different images, which again makes me so happy all the time when I look at my spread. So I'm adding butterflies throughout. Obviously, if there's flowers, there's butterflies, or there should be. I'm gonna add this quote as well, which says, "Beautiful flowers grace our garden." I'm gonna add this butterflies that is quite large into the other side to kind of balance it out. It is more elaborate too, because you can see all the veins and like the dots on it. So be a different type, right? I'm gonna add this tree. Look how cool it is. I don't know what it is, but it's stunning. And it has all of these, I think it's wisteria tree. I don't know. But it has this little wing attached to it. And I think that's so stunning. It's like a cloud on the top, you guys. It is so pretty. And I do need something for like the Monday area. Um, I don't know. So let's see what I can come up with. I don't want another swing because there's already a swing. I kind of want to make it into like a city almost. Oh, what about this? It's another set of stairs and it's different. It is quite large, but listen, it'll work, right? Yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. And now I just need to fill in the middle. So let me cut off the excess really quick. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in the middle. I want to put something in a quote. Let's see. Like looking through here. see if there's anything that I can just put in between. You guys, this book is like so stunning. I can't get enough of it. Let's see. These blossoming flowers are a sight to behold, which is true. And I just need something above it, like a lavender or something. Let's put this. Put like a bouquet, like this. And then that quote will make sense then. And I think I'm pretty good. I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna add this green butterfly to kind of pull in the green a little bit. And I think we're good. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, if you're interested in those stickers, they are available on Easter Case. I would appreciate if you use my code. It is Kasha for 12% off. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to plan another week with you guys. So have a great week ahead, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.